guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing a quick date night. Get ready with me. I put in this yaki ponytail from Amazon, girl. She only $13 and she looks good. And while I was trying to be cute, I got damn concealer in my little ponytail. I was like, oh no, ma'am. Good thing it came out. Good thing it came out. We so cute. First, we're going to start on the eyes. We're going to use the Reezy and Anastasia Beverly Hills collaboration palette. This is a very beautiful palette. I used it once. This will be my second time using it. Already primed my lids with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Y'all know the drill. I'm popping Barb onto my brow bones. All of these colors are perfect. Like, they're not cool toned. They're warm. Like, she really did the doggone thing. My melanated queens can definitely use this palette as well. And it pairs super well with Miss Jackie Aina's palette. It's such a good palette. I'm popping New Yorker and OG into the crease as my transitional shade. And then I'm going in with 1988. And first, I'm focusing it on the outer corner. And then I'm going to slowly work it into the crease to first super define the outer corner and then slightly define the crease. And I was in a rush doing this, so I was going pretty fast. I've been doing 3 talk through chit chat, get ready with me. So I thought I'd give y'all a break and just speed through this one. I already have a base routine up. It is literally the last video I uploaded, so go and watch that if you want a more in-depth version of my base. Now I'm going into the shade Dragon, which is a beautiful golden shade. First, I'm applying it with my finger, and then I'm just going in with this more precise tapered brush and just making it an even more precise application, but still fluffy and still soft. To diffuse that even further, I'm just going back in with my brush. No added shadow, just to soften those edges. And now I'm just going to apply Liddy on top. Liddy is so beautiful. Like, it's such a beautiful topper. It's more of a pressed glitter. It's not a shimmer or anything, but it does stick. Like, you don't need any other adhesive with this shade or with this glitter. It's so pretty in the way it hits the light, baby. All right, after that's applied, I'm going to go ahead and take this The Bomb Schwing liner, my favorite liquid liner. Okay, maybe Huda Beauty's liner is my favorite, but sometimes Huda Beauty's dries down a little bit too quick. So I like The Bomb's because it's a little bit more fluid, and I'm going to create a very humble wing, okay? We're going to create a very humble wing today. We're not going to make it too dramatic. I just wanted to define my eyes a little bit further. And then I'm going to go into BK, just a little bit of BK because it is a black shadow. And girl, you can mess it with black real quick. So I'm just taking a little bit and defining my crease with BK and connecting it to the point of the liner. Now, honey, let's move it to the face. I was going so fast that I didn't show any other product besides the palette and that concealer in the beginning. But I'm going to take this Smashbox primer, the Photo Finish Oil Control Primer. I'm putting that into the center of my face. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply Too Faced's Born This Way foundation. I'm mixing both Praline and Butter Pecan. Again, if you want a more in-depth base routine, it's literally the last video I uploaded, girl. So I'm just applying that all over my face, of course, with the Fenty Beauty sponge, and then just working the last bit of foundation on my sponge into my hairline because, girl, my scalp, she be covered, okay? I be wearing head wraps. I don't normally wear my hair out. I only wear it out on occasion, so I gotta really blend that foundation into my hairline. Now I'm going in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. First, I'm starting off with Warm Sand, and I'm applying that directly up under my eye to conceal. And can you believe this ponytail is synthetic? It looks so realistic to like some authentic yaki hair, girl. I'm gonna link it down below. It was so easy to apply. It's literally just a clip-in ponytail, okay? You clip it in and then you wrap it around. It was so easy. After I apply Warm Sand, I am going to apply Golden Beige just on the outer edge to brighten up my cheeks. And then lastly, we're going to take the shade Chai and bronze toward the outer perimeter of my face. And then I'm just going to go ahead and start off blending my bronze toward first, and then I'll work my way up to the concealing spots. I just like my under eyes to set the longest. So I start off with my bronze toward, of course, then I do my chin, forehead, nose, and then under eyes for last. Y'all know the drill. Everything I use will be linked down below in my description box, so if you are unsure of what I use or you need a visual, honey, you want a link, it'll be linked down below in my description box. An affiliate link is attached to everything that I use, so if you want to go ahead and support my bag, go ahead and shop right through them things, honey. And isn't it weird seeing my like full forehead out? Like I never show my forehead. It's always like partially covered with my wrap. But today, y'all are seeing my whole 5 head, honey. I really had to bronze her today because that hoe was big, honey. She wide. She thick. After I'm done blending in chai, I start now blending my concealer. I go ahead and start with my chin, blend that all the way out. I do my nose, my forehead, and then lastly, I'll do my under eyes. Now I'm taking my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Natural in the shade Dark Tan, and before I even set my face, I am pressing this into the places in which I bronze toward. It just accentuates it even further, defines it even further, and it just looks so good and sculpted. Honey, I may have been in a rush today, but boy, did I snatch the fuck up out my base. Okay, excuse my language, but it must be said. Now I'm taking Huda Beauty's Easy Bake Powder in the shade Banana Bread, and I am pressing that into the places in which I concealed until it melts right in. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to take my MAC Powder Foundation in the shade NC45, and I'm just pressing that in with a brush over the places in which I didn't apply the Huda Beauty powder. After everything is set, I do have to go ahead and contour that nose, and baby, did I sculpt that nose, honey? She was snatched. Can I even breathe? I just spray my face quickly, and then I apply this Too Faced complexion enhancing highlighting kit. This just softens the face so beautifully. I love these. I believe they just launched, but they don't launch in Sephora until next month, March. But the girls told me they'd already launched in Ulta, so go snag them at Ulta because they are really good and I love them. I'm going to apply some Lancome blush onto my cheeks. This is in the shade Petite Baisu. It's my absolute favorite shade. I love this. I almost hit pan on it. I've been using this since damn near 2018. And then I'm just going to go ahead and highlight my face with the Too Faced highlighting palette. They have a highlighter in there, like 2 highlighters and then a soft focus powder. I use this soft focus powder for my bronze tour and then the highlighting powder, you know, for the places in which I'm highlighting. Now I'm just going to quickly finish off the eyes. I'm placing Reezy onto the lower lash line, and then I'm placing Anastasia in the lower inner quarter just to bring the whole eye together. For lips, I'm taking this Huda Beauty lip contour in a Trendsetter, and then I'm just going to go ahead and top it off with Pat McGrath's Opulous Gloss in the shade Bronze Seductress. This is the look before lashes. I go ahead and pop those off camera. Now here's the outfit, baby. Everything was going wrong, but baby, did she pull it together and look cute. This periwinkle blazer dress and the belt is from Pretty Little Thing. It will be linked down below. It's so cute. I love this color. I just love blazers. I have a thing for blazers. I think they just look so professionally swaggy. I have on some crystal stockings from Amazon. I'll link those down below. The earrings are from Forever 21 and the hair is from Amazon as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick date night. Get ready with me. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. There are some nice pictures on the gram if you want to go ahead and follow me there. And until next time, always remember to serve, honey. And I'll see y'all in my next upload. Bye.